Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about suspending and turning back on or re-enabling processes on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and all you have to do is search for Resource Monitor. Best result should come back with Resource Monitor. Go ahead and open that up. And now locate the service you want to temporarily suspend or pause, whatever you want to refer to it as. And you just want to right click on it. Again, just be mindful of what you're turning on or off here because it can lead to system instability. But you just would right click on the service. Again, let's just pick a random one here. If you want to right click on the service and then select suspend process, do you want to suspend this process? If an open program is associated with this process and you suspend it, you might lose any unsaved data. If you suspend a system process, it might result in system instability. Are you sure you want to continue? Select suspend process. And then once it's suspended, it should appear up at the top here. And if you want to re-enable a suspended process, you just would right click on it and select where it says resume process. And it's going to say if you resume a process suspended by someone else, it might result in system instability. Are you sure you want to continue? Select resume process. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.